Most people think becoming rich feels like excitement, new gadgets, bigger plans, louder confidence. But what if I told you that real wealth often begins with discomfort, confusion, and a strange sense of falling behind? Here's a fact that should stop you for a second. Over 70% of millionaires didn't feel financially successful while they were building their wealth. They felt late. They felt average. They felt invisible. If that sounds familiar, don't dismiss it yet, because that might be the first quiet signal you're actually moving in the right direction. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. At some point, you notice something odd. You don't crave applause for your purchases anymore. You still enjoy comfort, but the urge to impress fades. When others talk about spending $2,000 on a phone or $5,000 on a vacation, your mind automatically calculates what that money could become in 5 years. Most people mistake this shift as becoming boring. They try to revive excitement by upgrading their lifestyle prematurely. But what's really happening is psychological maturity. Your brain starts valuing future security over instant validation. And just when you think this mindset is limiting your life, it opens a door most people never see: how you relate to risk. Another sign creeps in quietly. You stop chasing certainty and start respecting probabilities. You're no longer obsessed with guaranteed returns or perfect timing. You understand that wealth is built by playing long games with positive odds. While most people freeze waiting for the right moment, you move cautiously but consistently. The mistake many make here is overconfidence, betting too big too fast. You do the opposite. You think in 500 monthly investments instead of $50,000 lottery bets. And this probabilistic thinking slowly rewires how you see losses, preparing you for something far more important than profits. Then comes emotional distance from money. And this is where most people can't follow. Your mood no longer rises and falls with every income change. A good month doesn't inflate your ego. A bad month doesn't crush your confidence. Research shows people who emotionally detach from short-term financial fluctuations are significantly more likely to build net worth above $1 million. Most people react. You start responding. Money becomes a tool, not a verdict on your self-worth. And once that happens, your behavior changes in a way that outsiders completely misunderstand. You begin saying no to things you can afford, not because you're scared, but because you're selective. You delay rewards without feeling like you're sacrificing joy. You realize that every dollar you don't spend isn't saved. It's reassigned to your future self. Most people believe deprivation is the price of wealth, so they rebel against it. What you experience instead is clarity. You'd rather own options than objects. And this preference quietly compounds. The final sign is subtle but powerful. You stop asking, "How much money can I make?" and start asking, "Who am I becoming?" You invest in skills, health, focus, and environments that support growth. You understand that money follows identity. Most people chase numbers and hope transformation follows. You reverse the order. If you recognized yourself in these moments, you're not stuck. You're early. Becoming rich doesn't feel like winning at first. It feels like shedding illusions. But if you stay on this path, one day your bank balance will simply confirm what your habits already knew. You were becoming wealthy long before it showed. If this video resonated with you, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to stay updated, and share is a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it. See you in the next one.